Hi, hello. Well, thanks so much for your time. Well, let's continue with this course. Let me show you, we are in the Gradle file. So let me show you more details about this file. And let's talk about this line number 22 is Minify enable. Okay, that is a variable if you see. Okay, in this case, we don't have to worry too much because we have build types. In this case, we have only one. Okay, the release. Release is the only one. So, well, later I will explain more about other cases. But well, for now, when you create a project, you are using this default configuration. Okay, so well, the variable is Minify enable. If you see, it's a boolean, so we have only two kind of values, false and true. Okay, in this case, we are using false by default. That the meaning is we are not using that. But well, if you change that, we are changing something in our application. Remember, when you are creating your project, and you are ready to create upload your application, we are creating a project, okay, a file. This file is taking some configuration of this file, okay, from Gradle. In this case, the Minify is important because it's a way, very easy way to create a small APK. So in this case, if you are using false, you are not creating the smaller, okay, you are just creating a package. But if you are using Minify true, okay, for example, if you change that, now we are sure you are creating a smaller APK. That's the point. Okay, your size, you will see, is less now. Obviously no, when you are doing just for magic, that is when you are creating the project. Okay, you are trying to export the project, okay, to the Play Store. So well, that's the point. You change that. When you change the value, always you need to sync. Okay, that's important, because even if you change one line or one character in Gradle files, you need to sync the file, because we need to check everything again and blah blah. Okay, you need to read, well, not you, Android Studio. Okay, so well, in this case, Minify enable now is true. Okay, in this case, we need to sync now. And well, what happened in this case? Obviously we have a smaller APK now because we are trying to Minify that. We are adding a code protection. Actually, the name is weird, but well, we are using obfuscation. Obfuscation is well, it's a way to protect the code. Okay, it's a well, it's a way to avoid someone copy your code. Okay, or check what are you doing. Obviously, at the end, maybe some people can do that. Obviously, hackers, but well, that's an extra protection. That's a good idea to use that. Actually, I think by default we need to use always true, because it's an extra protection to this application. Okay, so well, and actually, how they are creating this smaller package? Well, sometimes just removing, okay, the unused code. That's a very easy way. Sometimes we forgot to do that. Well, don't have to worry, because if you put Minify enable, well, Android Studio and Android they do for you. Okay, so well, that's why it's very important to use Minify enable true. We have a specific cases maybe when we don't need to do that, or we don't have to worry too much. But well, my recommendation at the end, at the beginning, actually, for you like Android developer, is use Minify enable maybe 90% of the times. Okay, so well, thank you so much, and please like the video and subscribe at this channel, and thank you so much. Bye bye.